Hey guys, want to see how you can whip up a super good breakfast really quick, packed with tons of protein, minimal fat, minimal calories. Gonna show you how. Stick around. So hey guys, welcome. Rick here with 5150 Fitness. This morning I'm going to be showing you how to whip up a breakfast, egg whites and ham. It's packed with protein, minimal calories, good quality fat. So the first thing you're going to need, guys, is of course a dozen eggs. Or you can go buy the egg whites. Personally, I eat on a budget, so I choose to buy real eggs. But you can buy the egg whites. You don't have to go through all this, but it's not that bad. It's pretty simple. Getting the yolk away from the egg white. Not too difficult of a process. Just a little crack. Just kind of pour the yolk into the half the eggshell, and pretty simple. So this morning I'm going to be doing up about 10 egg whites. You don't have to eat 10 egg whites, of course. Just figure each egg white's got about 17 calories roughly, and about 3.7, let's just call it 4 grams of protein, give or take, depending on where you get your data from. You can whip it up if you want to, guys. I like to whip mine up. You don't have to. Then we're going to be using Land of Frost premium smoked ham. So 4 slices, got about 8 grams of protein, about 20 grams of calories from fat, with 60 calories. So we are 4 slices. So we're going to be using for about 5 slices. We're just going to dice that up, guys. Just cut it in a little. Yep, that's simple. Alright guys, next thing we're going to do is we're going to get a low to medium heat. Don't want it too hot, okay? Don't want it too cold, but you don't want it too hot. And then a super duper copper pan, which I highly recommend. Highly recommend. You can find them on Amazon. I don't know, 15, 20 bucks, 25 bucks, something like that. Okay, I'm gonna use about a teaspoon of butter. Butter's about 90% calories from fat. So I'm gonna cook in a little bit of butter, and not that you really need it in this copper pan, because these copper pans are amazing, especially when you're cooking egg whites. And then just put your ham in first, and kind of cook your ham a little bit. This is super yummy, guys. Pretty packed full of protein too. But the big thing is the taste, right? Because that's why most people don't want to diet. Most of the crap on a diet tastes like crap, right? So most people just give up. They're like, yeah, I'm tired of eating friggin' cardboard, whatever. 10 egg whites, just pour them in, guys. Boop. And I use just a little bit of Lowry's garlic salt, just for a little extra taste, just a little bit. Bam, done. And then just scramble them up. Yeah, I don't like burnt eggs, so constantly just scrambling them up. Yeah, ham has a tendency to get a little water out of the ham, but it's alright. Consistency's looking pretty good. There you go, guys. Looks to be about where I want them. There you have it, guys. Egg white and ham scrambled. About 50 grams of protein, probably around 300 calories. More cooking videos to come. If you like it, click on the subscribe button below, and I'll see you soon.